Welcome to Hypercar Global, the channel where we take a look at electric vehicles, Tesla and of course Elon Musk. Today we take a Tesla dominating in the Chinese electric vehicle market along with a glimpse at the new Model E body that will be made in GIGA Texas. Without any hesitation, let's get into the video. Tesla prepares to overtake China's auto market with two major milestones. Tesla is preparing to overtake China's automotive market with two major milestones relating to the company's supercharging infrastructure and service center locations. Tesla has announced that it has successfully launched over 840 total supercharging stations and opened more than 100 service centers in China. The electric automaker continues to expand its footprint in China, a market that has been recognized as a battleground for Tesla's future success. China has long had the world's largest automotive market, but the surging number of electric cars in the market makes it a main competition area for the world's electric car companies, new and old. On the company's Weibo page, it announced the two milestones earlier today. Tesla entered the Chinese market as a domestic manufacturer of its automobiles in January 2020. After delivering the first units of the made-in-China Model 3 that month, the company launched a strong and nearly untouchable effort of manufacturing and delivering some of the world's best electric cars to Chinese consumers. In 2020, Tesla was the best-selling automotive manufacturer in the country, mostly due to highly contributing sales of the Model 3. The Model Y arrived in China in January and has become another disruptor for Tesla in the highly concentrated market. With such strong demand and matching sales figures, Tesla has also made a point to begin growing its supercharging network and expand the number of service centers in the region. In February, Tesla launched a supercharger production facility in Shanghai to assist in the installation of supercharger locations across the country. The two milestones are not only impressive but also a testament to Tesla's ability to make consumer needs a priority among its efforts to expand production rates. It is crucial to have superchargers in many areas, not just highly populated ones, because owners are going to need places to add range to their vehicles. While this can be done overnight with a regular household outlet, superchargers dramatically decrease the time charging while increasing the efficiency process of charging the car. It also allows owners to take lengthy drives without having to worry about range. Service centers are also such a crucial part of the ownership experience for Teslas. Tesla trains its technicians to work on its cars specifically. Although Teslas are known for having significantly fewer maintenance requirements compared to their gas-powered counterparts, there are still routine changes that need to be made, like tire rotations. In the event of an accident or collision, bodywork may also need to be performed, and the shorter the tow truck ride, the more money saved for the owners themselves. The transition to electrification in China, only being outsold by a vehicle that is about 1/8 of the cost of Tesla's most affordable vehicle, the Model 3 and Model Y continue to make their presence known, not only in China but globally. In the coming years, Tesla will likely expand these figures once again, preparing for a takeover of the Chinese automotive market. Tesla leads the auto industry by at least 5 years. China-based Ningbo Tuopu Group Company Limited, Tuopu, recently stated in its most recent earnings call that Tesla has a 5-year gap on other car companies, Teslarati reported. Tuopu is an auto parts supplier that services a wide variety of brands, from Geely and SAIC to Ford, GM, Volkswagen, and other major automakers. Teslarati learned about this from @Ray4Tesla, who shared the details in a Twitter thread. Ray explained that Tuopu, which has 5 production lines, is a major component supplier for many automakers, and that in its recent earnings call, the supplier spoke highly of Tesla's production, supply chain, R&D, manufacturing, marketing, and more. He also said that Tuopu is very optimistic about Tesla and said that orders are actually normal amidst the recent negative sentiments facing Tesla in China. Ray also provided a Google translation, in the tweet above, of the remark made by the supplier. Although Company A was mentioned in this back and forth, Ray pointed out that the supplier was describing Tesla. One key clue to that is the negative media reports about Company A, which is an auto manufacturer. Other key descriptions of Company A that match Tesla are growth of a new species and increased sales performance. As you know, Tesla recently sold out of all of its vehicles shortly after Q2 began. Earlier this month, someone tweeted out a video of a huge fleet of Teslas being delivered in Belgium. Video from the port of Zeebrugge revealed an immense assortment of Tesla vehicles ready for delivery, the article noted. Overall, they described this company as doing everything correctly. Here is what they said: "What I want to say is that in the process of cooperating with customers, we deeply realize that all things done by company are correct, including product positioning, research and development, manufacturing, supplier management, quality, marketing, etc. are all very correct. Other car companies have a gap of at least 5 years. At noon, we just saw a 240% increases in European sales of company in May and a substantial increase in North America. The emergence and growth of a new species will have problems of this kind, which are also short-lived. We can't just look at the appearance, we are very optimistic, the current orders are normal. Tesla is getting closer to production at Gigafactory Texas as Model Y body is spotted on site. Tesla is showing signs of getting closer to production at Gigafactory Texas, as a Model Y body has been spotted at the new factory. The start of production at Gigafactory Texas and Gigafactory Berlin is the most important thing for Tesla's growth this year. Starting production at any vehicle program is always difficult, and even more so when you are building a brand new factory from scratch. But Tesla has done it before, and it's looking to do it again with 2 new factories coming up almost simultaneously. Gigafactory Texas is going to first produce an updated version of the Model Y for the North American market. The new version is expected to use Tesla's latest megacasting technology that replaces a lot of body parts with single giant cast parts produced using the world's largest casting machines. Last month, we reported on Tesla producing its first Model Y megacast at Gigafactory Texas after installing the first machines. It was the first sign of Tesla getting much closer to production at the new factory, which is still very much under construction, but Tesla has been known to not let that stop it. Now a new drone flyover spotted what looks like an almost completed Model Y body, which is another sign that the automaker is getting closer to production. The video shows a lot of progress in building the giant new structure, which looks about half completed, but production is expected to start before the entire structure is completed, since a single section is as big as some other car factories. They also caught Tesla storing a Model Y body. Tesla has also been ramping up listing production jobs at the factory, which is also a good sign that the automaker is getting closer to production. The automaker is officially guiding the start of Model Y production at the factory by the end of the year. However, the actual start of production is not as important as the speed of the ramp-up, which isn't likely to be significant until early next year. Outlined right here is the Model Y new body that has been spotted in GIGA Texas. Let me know if you think this has been leaked by accident, or if Tesla has done this as a stunt for their marketing, in order to get people talking about it online and to get a consensus of the public's opinion. Either way, I believe this to be an interesting design and great future development from Tesla. What do you think of Tesla dominating the EV market in China? Will anybody catch them soon? If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, and if you are new to the channel, why not subscribe? This way you support the channel. Turning on bell notifications let you know when we upload so you never miss a video.